Hello, Ted. We met at the conference Renesansa of cannabis, and you came from the farthest destination today. So, where did you come from?
My name is Ted Kong. I'm originally from Korea, South Korea, but I'm living in Vancouver, Canada. And I came from Vancouver 3 days ago, come to Seoul and sleep one night, and another 12-hour flight to Prague, and coming to another day to here. It's far away, but I enjoy coming here.
Yeah.
And then thank you for welcoming.
And you came specially for this conference.
Yes,
And you're also an activist for cannabis?
definitely. I'm a cannabis activist.
Yeah.
And I found these truths 4 years ago by accidentally. One of my family members got sick, and then researching on Google, then found the truth from starting point. So I can't deny the fact, because I think I'm a scientific mind guy and I'm a logical person. I was a civil engineer in Korea. I studied mathematics in US. So this is obviously to me very logical and cannot deny the truth. I'm obliged to spread this information to Korea. Another amazing, surprising thing to me is there's nobody in Korea know about that. So that's a very surprising thing to me, because there's more intelligent people, doctors, and they should know about this. And then seemingly I'm the one of the few people know about this among Koreans.
So there's a total lack of information.
Korea is totally blind. They don't know about this, and they think this is total evil drug. And the politician doesn't know, the medical doctors doesn't know, the judges doesn't know, police doesn't know, because they never seen a single plant in their life. I was the same thing. 4 years ago, I never seen a plant, cannabis plant. So I don't know what is it. It's just evil thing. It's just, we don't talk about it, That's the situation there.
Right.
And then one famous singer smoked a joint in Korea. That is a big title next day newspaper, as certain person has a smoke a joint and he is in big trouble. Okay, he ruined his whole career because of that.
Right.
It's a total black and white society. It's a highly developed, industrialized, but their brain is totally washed away.
So you're trying now to spread the word about cannabis in your country. How does people respond?
Definitely, that's what I think. So I'm almost finished my medical cannabis book in Korean people. It's Korean version. So I want people read about it. What's happening outside? Because I'm not a medical doctor, I'm not supposed to write this kind of book to the Korean public, but I'm obliged to do it. And hopefully, this information help our people to be awakened.
I cross fingers for you, and thank you so much to come from that far to visit this conference.
Thank you very much for welcoming, and this is a small world. So,
Yeah.
and it's starting here in Slovenia, but Slovenia is leading the other countries too. So it's not only Slovenian people, it be a bigger scale. It'll affect the whole global wide. Okay, so we have a positive energy and move one step and one step.